see the syllabus? Okay. So I think you might receive the syllabus from the institute. Is it correct?
Okay.
Okay. See, let me explain. Okay. I think EWM has come into market 2007. Okay. See, if you see before 2007, okay, if you look at the market, okay, if you look at the reviews, okay, about SAP warehouse, okay, which is available in ECC, okay, if you look at the standard functionality which is given by SAP, okay, so many clients are not happy. Okay, why? Because see, the way clients wanted that SAP standard doesn't support. Okay, I'm talking about SAP ERP warehouse management. Okay, I'm not talking about EWM. Okay, so what SAP has done is, okay, whichever if you see the ERP warehouse only supports only for the normal warehouse. Okay, it does not support for the complex warehouse. Okay, you know the difference between the normal warehouse and the complex warehouse, Arpit?
Like very least idea about it.
Okay, when you say the normal warehouse, okay, so just you will have a building and you will have an inbound process, you will have an outbound process, and you will have internal activities. Okay, so majorly what will, if you see any warehouse, okay, don't think about system wise. Okay, if you think at warehouse functionality, okay, which we are doing physically, majorly we are placing the material, majorly we are picking the material, and also we are doing some internal activities from one location to other location, and along with this we are doing some physical inventory. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So now what happens is the whichever scenarios I am trying to explain. So this is a normal warehouse. So if you see some of the clients, they will have a scenario only take the material from the supplier and place the material into bin, and also pick the material into bin and send the material to customer. This is a straightforward scenario, and also we can treat as a normal warehouse. Okay. If you see some warehouse, if you look at retail warehouse, okay, they may be having, that means their inbound process and their outbound process looks like complex. Okay, when you say complex, what is the meaning? Okay, suppose I will tell you one example. Okay, you see, I'm taking material from the supplier. Okay, some nuts, assume that I'm buying something from the supplier, and he is sending to me some nuts or bolts, whatever it may be. Okay, once reaches to warehouse, okay, you know that there is a concept called, there is a process called to clean the corrosion. Okay, so once material is reached to warehouse, first we have to clean that material. Okay, that means we have to remove that corrosion. Okay, that means there is a cost involvement is there. Okay, and also before you place the material into bin, first you have to remove the corrosion, and also we have to apply the grease, or you have to apply the oil something before you place it to the bin. Okay, to do all these things, our SAP standard warehouse does not support. Okay, all these things we can handle into the EWM system. Okay, this is the one of the benefit in the EWM system. Okay, and if you talk like that, what happens? EWM, it is not into our ECC server, it is into SCM boxes. That means it is into APO system. Okay, so that's why we are calling EWM as a decentralized warehouse. Okay, so all that means your PO creation, your inbound delivery creation, everything will happen in ECC, but your all warehouse operations will be done into your EWM system. So that's why we are calling as a decentralized warehouse. So this is also one of the benefit in the EWM system. Okay, and if you talk like that, one more benefit is, suppose even though your ECC system is not working, okay, there is a network issue, there could be some financial issues, where you cannot make the postings, okay. Still you can do your warehouse activities, okay. Later on, once system is ready, once your postings, you are able to do the posting, so automatically system will send the queues to your ECC system, and automatically whatever material documents will be posted, okay, based on your warehouse operation. Okay. This is also one of the benefit into the EWM system. Okay. And one more thing is, let me open one more presentation. So this is the syllabus, Arpit, which I am going to cover. Okay. So first, what I will do, I will try to give introduction to warehouse. Okay. And also I will try to explain EWM architecture, and I will try to I will discuss configuration ERP to ERP, that means ECC warehouse and EWM, okay, whatever configuration and BC sets, okay, we will discuss, and also we will discuss EWM configuration and data transfer from ECC to EWM, like master data, vendor master, customer master, okay, and also in EWM we will discuss product master and business partner, and batch management we will discuss, and handling unit management and packaging specification, and EWM documents, okay. So in ECC we have only whatever documents we are calling the warehouse task, warehouse orders, those things, okay. In EWM there could be different words which we will discuss, okay. And warehouse process types we will discuss, and warehouse orders, task, delivery processing in EWM, storage control. So we have two process, one is LOSC and one is POSC we will discuss, and outbound processing, warehouse management, PPF and printing, and internal activities, physical inventory, labor management, and mobile data entry, ad management, warehouse monitor and cockpit, slotting, replenishment, batch added, PP interface, and inquiry questions and kittings, and also MFS. I will try to. I cannot show in the idea system. I think a lot of development is required, so I cannot show in the idea system. So I will try to explain only theory part. Okay, only for MFS. Okay. So other than MFS, everything I will try to show in the system, and also I will explain at business level. I will not speak more theory part. Okay. For theory, I have some documents I can share to you. You can read it. Okay. So whichever SAP has delivered. Okay. So this is the syllabus part. Okay. You have any doubts on syllabus part?
No.
So you can go with this section and you can ask me which topic I am covering. After end of the class, you can see which I covered, which I am not covered. Okay.
Okay.
Arpit?
Yeah.
So you are till now any doubts?
No, nothing else.
Okay, fine. See, now just I want to know that before I start something, see, when you say demo, what exactly you are looking? See, can you, if you give some, if you share something so that I can try to give demo as per your expectation. So everyone is having own concern, okay? Hello? Hello, Harpreet? Hello, Harpreet?
Yeah, I mean,
Are you able to hear? Hello? Hello? Hello, Harpreet? Hello? Hello, Harpreet?
hello. Hello.
Hello,
Now is it?
Harpreet? Can you hear
Am I
me?
audible?
Yeah, I'm able to hear.
Yeah, I can hear you. Are you able to hear me?
I'm able to hear.
Okay, fine. Please go ahead.
So Harpreet, so this is the syllabus, okay, which I'm going to cover, okay. So this I will send to you later, okay, not an issue, okay. And see, introduction to EWM, okay. So new warehouse management application from SAP, okay. So here, see, that means you see this is a general statement. See, whatever, see, it supports for complex warehouse and it supports for the normal warehouse. That is the meaning of this statement, okay. And you see, I said, this EWM, it is into SCM server. It is not into EWM. It is not into ECC server. If required, we can put EWM into your ECC also, if required. Okay. Definitely, you will have a performance issue. Okay.
Yeah.
And just this is also general statement. Okay. So in a EWM, you will have WM functionality, which is available in ECC. Enhanced functionality, okay, that is the meaning of this statement, okay guys.
Yeah.
It is a robust solution, okay, and this is also all general statements, okay. So this also just releases when they release all this, okay. This also you will get it in Google, and this is all general. Let me share other one, okay. Yes, okay, fine. Well, this is, let me share the inbound process, okay. See what happens if you look at the inbound process in EWM. See, first what will happen in ECC? First we will create the purchase order, okay. So once we create the purchase order, what happens? Then we will create an inbound delivery, okay. So inbound delivery can be created through ASN or you can create manually also, okay, up to the business requirement, okay. See, once you create inbound delivery, what happens is there is a functionality called QRFs, okay. So based on the QRFs, the inbound delivery will be distributed into your EWM server, okay. So in the EWM server, you can call as a warehouse request, okay. So what will happen once you get the warehouse request, every day you can go and you can check your monitor record and you can take the list of warehouse request which is ready for inward. So that means which is ready for goods receipt. So based on that report, the warehouse operator or warehouse supervisor will plan and they can discuss with all pickers saying that this is the plan for today and we have to do the inward and we have to place the material into bin. Okay. So all these things, whichever I am explaining, all these things we cannot do in our ECC warehouse. Okay. All these things are possible in EWM system. So you see here, see in EWM, see first is slotting. So we can do in slotting concept. And also we can do deconsolidation. There is a concept called deconsolidation. Suppose whenever you take material from the supplier, what happens? Supplier sends a cartons to you. Assume that, okay. They will say like that, okay, I'm sending 10 cartons, okay. What happens when you, before you place material into your bin, suppose supplier has sent 10 cartons to you, but you don't want to keep 10 cartons into one bin, okay. You want to merge, that means you want to merge into 5 cartons. That means you receive 10 cartons, but you want to merge it into 5 cartons. So this concept we can call as a deconsolidation. This is also possible into EWM server, okay, EWM system, okay. And one more thing is put away determination. When you say put away determination, so in ECC you see completely it is happening through movement type, okay. But in EWM there is no movement type and there is no storage location, there is no plant concept, okay. Perfect. In EWM, whatever plant we are calling in ECC.
Krishna, let's cut it short. You tell me one thing, like what I am looking for is like the training should consist of some business examples, which I can see that you are, because as you actually explained in case of deconsolidation. So I find that you will be explaining the things by using the real-time business examples. So if I tell you, if I say that I have a very brief idea about this WM, and I have I have good knowledge. I mean, I won't say I'm the best, but yes, I have little bit good knowledge into SAP MM. So what are the, like, how much time would I take in completing this course?
Okay, fine. I will tell you. See, a maximum. Suppose if you are really, if you are having good knowledge in warehouse, okay, I may complete within 30 days. Okay. Suppose if I am taking the
Okay.
class every day 1 hour. Okay. Suppose you are little slow. If you are not able to follow me, I may take 45 days.
40 days. So
45.
consider me that I am not, I mean, I am not at all good, and I'm very bad into SAP WM,
Then
because
45 days.
I just have that particular knowledge that okay, that there's a warehouse and we have the
See, I
service
will
section,
tell you
and then
one
we
thing.
have
Suppose if you
the
are practicing every day, whichever I am telling.
mm-hmm,
Suppose whichever I am covering, if you are practicing, okay, then I
okay,
can finish in 30 days.
30 days.
Yes.
So you would be imparting the training on daily basis, or it will be on weekend
Every
only?
day, it would be every day.
Daily,
Yes, you are right. Every day 1 hour.
daily 1 hour.
Daily 1 hour.
Hello?
And
Yeah, daily one
daily
hour.
1 hour, and also we will try to provide SAP online access, and also I will create everything. I will create new plans. I will create test data for you also practice for practice. Just you
Okay.
can log in into the system and just you can create a purchase order and you can create inbound delivery. You can practice it however you want. So no need to do configuration. Configuration I will do for you.
So in 30 days, it will be only like support kind of thing, or it will be including everything?
I will try to speak at implementation level. I will not try to speak at support level. I think you know that support means always we have to speak at issue. Okay. So if I speak at implementation, that means we can discuss.
Okay, you're talking about implementation. Fine, fine. Now I
Yes.
understood. Fine. They actually, the voice was breaking so much in between that
You
I
are right. I
lost
mean, today,
contact.
like just now only I reached home. Even today also, I am not having that much interest. I don't have that much patience here. So just now I reached home. So I committed. That's why I am taking it. Okay.
Okay.
So let me see.
So
That's what. Let me differentiate. See the advantage of EWM. Let me differentiate. Okay, Arpit. Okay. So EWM supports complex warehouse as well as EWM supports the normal warehouse. Okay, and also EWM supports mainly for fashion industries. Okay, fashion industries and retail warehouse. Okay, and EWM is having labor management. You can use it, and also EWM is having MFS. We can use it. EWM is having there is a concept called cockpit, okay, and also EWM is having the slotting. EWM is having a quality process, okay. When you say quality process, and suppose there is a quality. Whenever you do quality, sometimes quality counting also you will do. Sometimes you have a concept called AQL 2.5.
beg your pardon, I didn't get that.
If you see in EWM, there is a concept called quality. Okay. Suppose you can take the material and you can put into one virtual location. From there, you can send to your quality work center. There, you
Even
can go
similarly,
with.
what we have in case of the GRN and the MM case.
Yes, you are right. You are right.
Okay.
So there would be
Okay.
a lot of benefits in EWM. Okay. Just we have to see it whether business require all this functionality or not. We have to see it. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, and one more thing is, see, in EWMs, most of the things, 80% of the operation we can do in one T code. There is a T code called warehouse monitor. Okay, that means
Mm-hmm.
80 to 90% of the operations we can do in one T code, which doesn't have in our ECC warehouse.
Yeah.
You understand? That is the major benefit in the EWM system. Okay. And also we have a wave management, and also we have cross docking. Okay. So, and also we have the concept called, just one example I gave before before I start the class, batch order. I said, no? Suppose whenever you buy material from the supplier, okay, what happens is before you place the material into bin, suppose you want to clean the corrosion, and you want to apply something and you want to keep the material, and this process can be handled in the EWM system. Okay. And also there is a concept called POAC, process oriented, okay, control. Okay, suppose you have a scenario. Suppose you want to capture all the details. Suppose you want to capture unloading process. Suppose you want to capture quality process, and suppose you want to capture placement of the metal into page. All these things you want to capture, okay, in one big code. Okay, all these things is possible in EWM. Suppose you want to, suppose as a supervisor, you want to know that this truck has come. Okay, what is the status of this truck? Whether it is unloading status, whether it is a quality status, whether it is a placement status. So suppose you want to track it, which is not possible in an ECC, which is possible in EWM. Okay.
Yeah.
There would be many advantages if you talk like that. That's what I'm telling. Okay. And also put away bin determination. Okay. So there also you can place the material based on yield, based on stack, however you want you can place it. Okay. And also RF,
Yeah.
mobile is connected with EWM warehouse, so you can use UI5 concept. Okay.
What is UI5?
So that is the latest technology, UI5. Okay.
Okay. Like what we have as RFID, then it comes after
Yes, I see. SAP has if you see 2 years back, they are using ITS and App Console Web GUI something. Okay. Now everyone is using UI5. Okay. It is a middleware. Yeah, okay. By default, you will get it. Okay.
Yeah.
And also you can use ad management, and also you can maintain. See, earlier you see in ECC, suppose in India you see if you see any Indian projects, there is a concept called get pass. Okay. When you say get pass, it contains DC number, LR number, truck details. Is it correct? See, in EWM there is a concept called, you see, manage transport unit. So where I am touching my cursor. Okay. You can go and activate transport unit, and you can maintain all your truck details, driver detail, all these things here. Okay, and you can be connected with your inbound delivery, you can be connected with your outbound delivery also.
Yeah.
So many things, see, in EWM, so we can use it. Okay. So but see, the thing is, we have to see. That means, yeah, that's what I'm telling you. EWM will not support. It supports for any kind of error. That's what I'm telling you. Always you have to keep in mind when you're talking with the client, we have to tell that all the functionalities are available in EWM. So whether you want or not, we have to tell it. You have to speak. We have to speak all the functionality. Okay. Some warehouse may require.
I have a question. I have a question, Krishna. Like you said that EWM standalone can work. I mean, it is up to us if we want to implement the ECC along with EWM or EWM standalone. So would we have to, like, if there is a warehouse and then we just have this EWM server, standalone EWM server. So would be requiring any kind of, I mean, is there a functionality of PO or sales order getting generated? Because based upon PO only, for the GRN part, will be carrying out the warehouse activities, or the sales order, like for the delivery activity will have to.
Okay, I will tell you. What happens, suppose whatever you create in ECC, your ECC is a base system. Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever master data you are creating in ECC, that has to go into EWM system. Okay.
That is what you call as QRFC something.
No, I'm coming one by one. Okay. Yeah. Whatever you create in ECC, okay, it could be material master, it could be vendor master, it could be customer master, it could be a plan, it could be a shipping point, whatever it may be. Okay. It has to go. Okay. It has to go into EWM. There is a functionality called CIF, CIF. Okay.
Yeah.
And whatever your transactional data, whichever you are creating in ECC, it has to go into EWM. There is a functionality called QRFs.
Yeah.
Whatever you made that, whatever you do in EWM, it has to come into your ECC. There is a functionality called PPM. This is
Okay.
your high level ones. Okay, fine.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Fine.
So all these
So
things we will discuss. Then yeah. So it could be in same server, it could be in different server. Okay, definitely 90% people will go into different server. No? Okay, clients will go into different server. Nobody will go into same system. Why? Because definitely they will have a performance issue. Nobody will accept into same server. Okay, when SAP is giving option saying that go into different server, definitely clients also will accept. They will do business into the separate server. Nobody will do into the same server. Okay.
okay.
So there is an option, that's what I'm telling you. You can ask me the question saying that I'm having only one warehouse, I'm having only one company code, I'm having only one plant. Why should I go for two servers? Definitely you may ask the client. Is it, sorry, definitely you may ask the SAP. Is it correct? So definitely
Yes.
SAP also will say better go for one server. You do all your EWM activities in the same server. Okay. So this kind of situation is very less. Okay.
Okay.
See, there is no functionality difference. The functionality is same even though if you're doing in same server, even though if you're doing it in a different server. Okay.
But if you are going for two different servers, so definitely there will be a time lag between the ECC, between the data going from the ECC part to the EWM part. So let's say we have created a material master A in ECC, and CIF is about to start from the ECC to the EWM server, and we are creating a we are using that material master, I mean A, in our transaction into EWM server. So system would be doing any kind of checking, like system would be verifying the data.
Yeah. See, let me summarize what I understood from you. Okay, Arpit, before I give the answer. What you are telling that now you have created a material. Okay.
Yeah.
After once you create a material in ECC, after that you are creating a purchase order. After that you are creating inbound delivery. Assume that. So before I create inbound delivery, before I distribute my inbound delivery from EWM, whether system is going to check whether that material is available in EWM or not. That is your question. Is it correct?
Yes.
Definitely there would be a validation. So that means whatever you are doing in ECC, it should be there in your EWM. It is not in the EWM, definitely the data will not go in your EWM. Somewhere it will be stuck out.
So that means we will have to wait for the CIF
No,
transaction to
not
happen.
right. See, there is a batch job. Once you create your material master in ECC, immediately batch job. See, we have to activate a batch job. Okay.
Okay,
So we
that
have
means
to
it
put the
is
time every
like
5
every
minutes.
second that is getting triggered.
Yes. We have to create a batch job. It should run every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay, fine, fine. Now I got my question answered.
So whatever you create in ECC, it has to go in EW every 5 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
You have a habit, you should have a make a habit. So you have to tell to business saying that this way. Okay.
Yeah.
See, I will tell you one thing. See, once you create a material in ECC, okay, immediately you will not place the order. Is it correct? That is a rare. Okay. So
I
article
mean,
material creation. Suppose you are doing material creation. Suppose this month. Okay, your purchasing will happen after 2 months, after 3 months. Is it correct?
but the concern is like if we talk about Indian clients,
I will
they are
tell you
always in
okay, the
hurry.
scenario. 1 minute, Arpit. The scenario which you are asking me only it happens only textile industry, garment industry. Why? Because if you look at any garment industry, they have 2 seasons. Okay. You see, any garment industry, they are creating articles every year. 2 times they are creating. Okay. That means every year they are creating new articles. Suppose let us take any gene point. Okay. Suppose whichever model they are using in the current season, the next season they may not use same article code. They may be using different article code. Is it correct? If you
Yeah.
see any automobile industry, if you see any electrical industry, if you see any chemical industry, article creation is a one-time activity. Suppose if they create article master this year, next year they may not create. They may be create only 5 or 6 articles, 6 materials. Sorry, 6 materials. Is it correct?
Yeah.
But if you see in retail industry, like I said, garments, whatever, okay, they are creating every year 2 times.
Mm-hmm.
You understood the difference? Hello,
Any
Arpit?
seasonal kind of thing or what?
No, no. You see any chemical industry, you see any auto industry, material creation will happen one time. Suppose you had a go live today. Before go live, once you create a materials, after that you will not create it. After that, you may create only 5%. It happens only in 1 year, 1 or 2 times. Is it correct?
Yes.
For new materials. If you see any retail industry, that means I am talking about garments. I am talking about fashion industry, lifestyle industries. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Every year they have 2 seasons.
Yeah.
When I say 2 seasons, every season they are creating new materials. That's what I am telling. Whatever is available. Suppose my season is 2016. Assume that I am in 2016. I am in
Yeah.
summer. For summer I have created 1,000 articles, 1,000 materials. When I
Fine.
am going to one more season, the same material which I created into summer, I will not use it. I will create a new materials.
I mean, definitely the fashion may get obsolete.
You are right. Okay, for them, the whatever question you asked me may be problem.
Yeah.
That means you have to activate batch every 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You
So
understood?
that means it is very industry specific, that will have to schedule the batch job according
You
to
are right.
according to the frequency in which they are getting the masters.
The straight answer is very simple, Arpit. Go and
Yeah.
create material. Okay, material master will. So who is going to create usually material master? MM consultant. Is it correct? Or MDM team, master
Yeah.
data management team. Okay. So
Yes.
you are the
Yes.
EWM consultant. You have to tell two things saying that go and activate batch job. First
Yeah.
shift, that's it. Once you activate batch job, system will go and will look what is new material is created, whatever it is created, system will go and will pick the material in DCC, it will be transferred into EWM. That's it.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then what else you have? What else you want to ask?
No, nothing. I mean, I was just. I mean, I just had only like some kind of expectations that you
So
are
what
giving some
exactly you are
basic.
looking in the demo? Tell me. So you see the reason whenever I take the demo, I don't know what to tell, to be frank. Some people may tell, please difference, please give me some example, give me the benefits. Some people may ask. Some people may ask, okay, tell me the inbound process, how it works in either. Suppose
I mean, why
who
to
has
ask
having
such
experience in warehouse? Huh?
No, I don't have any. Well, I won't be asking such kind of questions because
No,
definitely you
no,
will be
just I
covering
don't know.
all
See,
those
I am taking
questions.
classes
Well,
since many years. Okay, I don't know what to
yeah.
tell in the demo. What
I
exactly
mean,
looking in the demo?
I was just looking about like the kind of the way in which you are explaining things. I'm fit and fine. I mean, I'm comfortable with that. I was just wondering about the duration of the course. Like you told me, it can be some 30 to 45 days. I'm also satisfied in that. So these are probably two or three things which probably everybody is looking into.
Yeah, the topics are more. That's what I am telling Arpit. See,
Yeah, I
that's
mean,
what I
there
say.
is no
Whatever
point
I
in exploring
promise, I
all
have to
those.
complete it. And also, I have to show in
Fine.
the system. Okay, output has to come during the class. If output is not coming, definitely you may ask why it is not coming. That means you may underestimate that. Yes, I don't have experience. Is it correct? So
Yeah,
whatever I showed in the Excel, I have to show in the system as per your expectation. Okay.
yeah.
So definitely it takes 30 to 45 days. You just per day I cannot take more than 1 hour. Okay.
Okay, and I mean, it can be on daily basis, like 1 hour daily.
Yeah.
And
Yes. You
what
have
would be
to get
the
your. Tell me.
what will be the comfortable time?
See that I don't know what this institute people committed with you. I don't know what time these people committed with you.
I don't like. I didn't have any kind of like conversation
No,
regarding
better
that.
speak with these people, Arpit, and just share your inputs to him. Okay, whatever you have doubts. Okay, whatever information you need from him. Why? Because I think as per, so I cannot discuss all these things. Why? Because you came through institute. Okay,
Yeah,
so certain things I also need to follow. Is it correct?
yeah,
So you just give the feedback. If really okay, you tell the time to him. Then let's see.
hmm,
Already I'm having some students. Okay, so let's see.
okay,
I will start. Okay.
Fine.
So still something you want to know, please ask me. I will share. I don't have any.
No, that'll be all. Thank you very much, Krishna. That'll be all.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Arthur. Bye.
Good day.